Today I'm going to be showing you 2 easy ways to make breakfast in a matter of minutes. So I'm going to be using bread for this recipe and you're surely going to enjoy. So stick around until the end of the video. So for my first recipe, I'm going to be using 4 slices of bread, 2 eggs, milk, vanilla essence, cinnamon, and sugar. I'm going to be making French toast, but with a twist. So in a bowl, I'll add 2 eggs. This is a very speedy recipe, especially for working moms. You can prepare your kids' breakfast before you go to work. So I'm going to use my fork and whisk until fluffy. So to this, I'll add my cinnamon, sugar, whisk again. All these ingredients, you can find them listed in the description box in the right quantities. So to this, I'm going to add my milk as I whisk. Lastly, I'm going to be adding a dash of vanilla essence. Then I'm going to whisk in the vanilla together with the ingredients. So this is ready. So I'm going to keep my fork aside, then I'll clear my table. I need some space. Here's the twist in this recipe. I'm going to be using a waffle maker to make our French toast. Yeah. So I'm going to pick my bread, dip it in the egg mixture, and my waffle maker is already hot. I'm going to spray my waffle maker. Then I'll place my bread. This is going to be delicious. So I'm going to close this. My waffle is ready. Wow, it's looking amazing. I'm going to pick this up and it's looking absolutely gorgeous. And you can't tell that it is bread. So I'll place that on my plate. So I'm going to slice my banana. And I'm going to place my bananas on my waffle. On my bread waffle. Or what should I call it? So your kids will be happy about their waffle and they will not know that it is bread they're eating. Then I will drizzle in a little bit of honey. Yum. For my second recipe, I'm also going to be using bread. So I'll be spreading peanut butter and butter on my bread. So you start by spreading a very thick layer of peanut butter on your bread. You know how kids love peanut butter? This is the trick to have them eating their breakfast in a matter of minutes. So in this recipe, I've been using brown bread because that is what we love the most in our family. So feel free to use white bread. So I'm going to place this on top of the other piece of bread. Then I'm going to spread butter on top. Then I'll flip my bread. Once you're done spreading butter on the other side, You'll move over to the stove top, and on medium heat, you'll heat a pan. Once hot, you'll place your bread in the pan, then we'll toast. Once brown, you'll flip the other side so that it can have that golden brown color. My bread is ready, so I'm going to put this on a plate. You can see how good it is looking. So I'm going to slice my bread. Look at the peanut butter, and it's smelling amazing. Normalize being extra even when making breakfast, because your kids will absolutely love when you introduce a new recipe like this one. Don't get used to the normal bread that you just spread margarine or butter. Go an extra mile to make your kids enjoy their breakfast.